Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mustang funny car and this is by Hot Wheels and this is from 2024. So I bought this for 179 at that time. That was the MRP back then. Even now that is the MRP. So let's open it. I do have one more of this Mustang funny car, but that is not from the art car series. That is from an entirely different series. I need to take that on C. Maybe we'll unbox that also someday in the near future. Okay, here is the card art. It looks really beautiful on the color combination part. So let me put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So paint job wise it looks really good. I'm not able to grasp what it is here. It looks like some kind of lizard or just a flame or lizard with flames. I'm not really sure, guys. Okay, so it has headlight details here, which is acrylic. That is really nice. And so even this part here is acrylic. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be a tail light or this drag bar they usually, but the drag bar is supposed to be a little bit lengthier. It has a bar here, and I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but that is actually a purple acrylic. I think that connects with this windshield here. So even with this purple color, you can see a little bit of interior here. You can see the hood detailing here along with this uh, air intake. That looks really cool. Even the livery on this one looks really nice. Okay, there is a bee entered my house. I hope it doesn't sting me. Okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So this is supposed to, open in this way. Since it's a main line, I'm not seeing that opening part here. See, back then even in the main lanes they used to do this, but nowadays they're not doing that. But I do love the overall, color scheme on this one. It looks really beautiful. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 36 grams, not bad. Okay. So let's do a roll test now. I'm hoping this would roll really well. Okay, it does roll really well. Maybe not fast, but it does its job. See, when it comes to 2023 and 2024, I never had that much of luck when it comes to rolling a Hot Wheels because it always had some kind of issue. It never rolled really well. Maybe one or two here and there, but that's it. Let's rate this casting. So I don't have any issues, guys. I'm giving 10 out of 10. It looks really beautiful. So if you are really a lover of castings like this, I mean, I do love this exaggerated castings, like you can see here on the muscle machines here. So I do love all this my muscle machine series from Maestro. So that is something. It looks really funky. It looks really cool, and I don't know. For me, I really love it. It has some character. It's not just plain old boring cars. So it comes under that particular series to me. So this looks really nice. So that's it, guys. Okay, so I forgot to mention one more thing on this particular casting. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So the purple parts here that connects with this windshield here, that is also plastic. Yeah, so I missed to tell that. So with that said now, thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And goodbye.